Okay, here is my next piece of carrotwood. This came from the same half of a split carrotwood log, so I might end up with 4 bowls out of this one log, because there's 2 here. Carrotwood 1, and carrotwood 2. This one I'm using my dovetail that hooks to my 4-chaw chuck to give me a faceplate. And this one here I think is on very well because these screws were relatively tight all the way in. Okay, I've turned my carrotwood blank around. I've sanded the backside. It's using a mortise here. It's got more holes than it's got wood almost, so it's going to be interesting. It's nice and shiny or smooth in places where there's hard wood, but almost everywhere else it's so soft. I got rid of most of the white wood, which was really, really soft. So we'll see what happens now. Okay, I'm going to put on my first coat of finish from this ancient can of Watco Danish oil finish. Well, obviously I'm going to have to use a brush. I don't have brushes yet. They're on their way. So I'll put this first coat and just touch the ridges. The brush I'll be using for getting down in all these gazillion holes that I have. This was a very bug-eaten piece of wood. And of course I'm not filling anything on here. So it's just going to be a perforated bowl. It's looking more like a colander than a bowl. This wood is so soft that it absorbs a ton of finish. I'm sure I'm going to be using up all of this and then switching to my teak oil. See how that goes mixed together. Okay, I'm going to put another coat of finish on, even though I still don't have brushes. I think I'll have them in a couple of more days. Okay, here's my third Carrotwood bowl. This one was turned as not a spindle, and it's got Danish oil as the finish. It has orange. It was amazingly perforated with holes. It's very little of the wood is hardwood. Much of it is soft and absorbs so much finish. It's turned out pretty nice. It turned out dark. Both of my finishes that are they're ancient, I think, are dark, and one of them is finished, and the other one will be gone pretty soon. I do like the look of the dark.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.